Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagels truly tasty. Start by selecting the right ingredients. High-protein bread flour is essential for that classic chewy texture. A slow, cold fermentation process develops complex flavors in your dough. Don't forget to incorporate malt barley syrup. It adds a lovely sweetness and helps achieve that beautiful golden brown crust during baking. These foundational steps are key to delicious bagels. Achieving the perfect bagel texture involves precise dough handling. Keep your dough hydration lower, around 55%, for that characteristic dense chew. Knead the dough extensively to develop strong gluten, which is crucial for structure. When shaping, ensure each bagel is tight and smooth, with a consistent hole in the center. Proper shaping prevents tearing and ensures even cooking. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these tips for making amazing bagels, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. After all that flour and baking, keep your kitchen spotless with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. The boiling step is vital for that signature bagel chew and shine. Prepare your boiling water with baking soda and malt barley syrup. This combination creates a slightly alkaline environment and adds flavor. Boil each bagel side for 30 to 60 seconds. This sets the crust. Immediately after boiling, apply your favorite toppings like sesame seeds or everything seasoning for optimal sticking. The final bake transforms your bagels into golden perfection. Preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 425 degrees Fahrenheit, with a baking stone or steel inside. This ensures a crisp bottom crust. Bake the bagels until they are beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 18 to 20 minutes. A perfect bake yields a shiny, chewy exterior and a soft interior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.